Hey guys, today we'll be making a Kiwi Cucumber Cooler. Perfect for summers. First, gather your ingredients. You can order them from any feast. Then, start with peeling your cucumbers and cutting your kiwi up into little pieces. Then, grind them into a fine little paste. Next, you want to strain this. Make sure you strain it properly so there are no chunks. Look at that color. Next, you want to put about a cup of sugar in a pan and put that on low heat. What we're making right now is this sugary, yummy syrup. Add some water. Wait till it warms up. No need to stir right now. It's time to add the mint leaves for that minty, cooling goodness. Now it's time to assemble your drink. Let's make it look a little fancy, shall we? Layer the cucumber slices against the glass. This is why we cut them so thin. Amazing. Now put some ice cubes, put in your mixture and your sweet syrup, and top it off with soda. And you're done. It was that easy. You can serve this to your guests, or if you feel like it, have both of them to yourself.